Recording from. We have to find first three terms. What is the nth term is given? 4n minus 3. So we have to find the first three terms, which means t1, t2, and t3. So first term. So in place of n, you will be writing 1. And then 4 minus 3, 1. In place of n, you will be writing 2 because you are finding second term. 8 minus 3 will be 5. And third term, in place of n, writing 3, remaining everything same. 4 times 3, 12. 12 minus 3. So this worksheet is a calculator, so you can use calculator. So it will be 9. So the first three terms are 1, 5, and 9. Next. In this table, you have to find the sixth term. So come on, let's check, write the sequence first. You have the sequence 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Let's check the difference. 1, 1, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1. Always when you subtract, you always have to subtract from back to front. So you got the same difference. What kind of sequence is this? Linear sequence. If linear sequence, the formula will be a plus d n minus 1. A means first term. What is the first term? First term is 3. Plus d means difference. How much is the difference? We got 1. Remaining everything is same. Now 3 plus. Now what do you have to do? Expand the brackets. 1 times n minus 1 times 1, 1. Okay. First, what you do, bring down the n first. Okay. Now simplify the numbers. You have numbers 3 and minus 1. 3 minus 1, you get positive 2. So answer is n plus 2. And the next one, you have to find the, okay, n plus 2. So you got nth term for this, n plus 2. Okay, keep aside. Anyway, one number is different. The sixth term will be 8th. And if you observe the second one, second sequence, okay, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 4 square is 16, 9, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, and then 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, the next will be 5 square, it will be 25. So here sixth term will be 25. Okay. Next one, different sequence. To get the sixth term, it's not easy. You have to find the nth term first, then only we can find the sixth term. How to find? First, what we do, we will write the sequence. What is the sequence? Negative 3, comma, negative 3, negative 1, positive 3, 9. Okay. Now let's check here. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, check it over. 9 minus 3 will be 6, positive 6. 3 minus, I'm doing the rough work at a side. 3 minus another number minus 1. It will be 3 plus 1. So I got a positive 4. Okay, next. Minus 1 minus either number, other number I have minus 3. So minus 1, minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, you can check it in the calculator directly. So minus and plus, minus 3 minus 1 will be 2. So positive 2, bigger number is positive. And it will be positive 2. You can do directly using a calculator because this is a calculator worksheet. Next one. -3 minus of -3, which means -3 minus and minus becomes positive. It will be 0 now. -3, +3 gets cancelled. It's a 0. Now let's check. First difference is not same. Let's check the second difference. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So second difference is same. This one we can call it as quadratic sequence. If it is a quadratic sequence, what happens? The rule applies to find the nth term. So here 2a is equal to 2 and 3a plus b equal to 0. And what next? A plus b plus c equal to -3. First I'm doing here. First, come from the bottom. 2a equal to 2, right? So a equal to 2 over 2, a equal to 1. Next, what next you have? 3a plus b equal to how much? 0. And 3 times 1, a is 1, right? Plus b equal to 0. 3 plus b equal to 0. So b equal to 0 minus 3. So b equal to -3. Next, last one. A plus b plus c is equal to, how much is rounded up? The first number, -3. A is 1. B is -3. C we don't know, we are finding out. So 1 minus 3 is -2. -2 plus c is equal to -3. Bring down c equal to after what number? That we write first, -3. -2, left side, you are taking to the right side, it becomes +2. How much? C equal to -1. So all the formulas we got. Now next step is writing the nth term. So writing the nth term, what we do? I'm writing here. You can check here. So formula. What is the formula? Nth term formula, a n square plus b n plus c. Put all the values that you got. A you got 1, right? 1 n square, 1 n square. B you got -3. So -3n. And C you got -1. So what is the answer? N square minus 3n minus 1. This is the nth term, you got it, isn't it? Nth term. Now, sixth term, how do you find out? Come on, write the nth term and let's find the sixth term. N square minus 3n minus 1. Sixth term you are going to find, right? So 6 square minus 3 times 6 minus 1. Check it out in the calculator. It's a calculator. You will be getting 17 here. The sixth term will be 17 here. Okay. Now I'm closing it off. Okay, next. Nth term of the sequence also we found, right? Now this is find the value of 8281. You know, for B it's a squaring, right? As you square the number, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. You have to square it. So nth term is here, let us say n square. N square is equal to 8281. Okay, n is equal to the square you are sending to the other side, 8281. Square, if you send to other side, it will become square root. Check in the calculator, you will be getting 91. So this one, 91. Okay. Here we have to illustrate the Venn diagram. So you have to this is the universal set which contains all the numbers. Okay. Now let us check. Okay. There are A and B. A and B means only two sets, right? So Let's make a drawing of two sets. So which we have only A and B, so that is why two sets. Okay, first we have to represent all of them, right? What is A? In A and B, what is common? Common means what is same in both of them. A is same and H is same and C is not there, E is not there, J is not there. Okay, remaining is not same. Only what is same in A and B? A and B common place is this one, right? This one. So in there, what is common? A is common and H is common. Same in both of them. So for A and B, that is same. So we wrote there. Remaining, what is letters remained in A? C, E, J. C, E, F, and J. What is remaining in B? B, D, and this is D. B, D, and G. Okay. Now, what is left over in a universal set? A finished, B finished, C we wrote, D we wrote, E we wrote. F. F is not here. F is outside. It is not belong to A, not belong to B. So G already inside. I. So I is also outside. And J is inside the A. And K is also. So K. So F and I, K, they are not belong to A and B. So we have written them outside the circles. Now we completed this diagram. Let us check with the answer. Yeah, IFK, correct. Next. Next, B. List the elements of A intersection B. Intersection means what is common. What is common in both of them? A and H. Next, find number. N stands for number. Number of A intersection B. So what is the number? You can see how many? Two, right? One and two. So number of A intersection B is equal to just 2. Okay. Next, lists the elements of A union B. A union means all together. What are the elements all together and A and B? Write in a order, alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, G, and H, J. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now number of A union B. Find out, count the number total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we are done until E. Let's check the next one. Next one is you have to find A intersection B complement. Okay. To find out A intersection B complement, you have to write A set, you have to write B complement set, then only you can find this. How to do? Let us check. So to find out A intersection B complement, first we have to write A. What is A? A comma C comma E comma H comma J. It is given already. Next, B complement. B complement means what is the meaning of B complement? Not B. What is B? Cancel out. This is B. This is also B. This is also B. This is B. This is also B. So what is not B right here? C is not belong to B, E, F, I, and J, and K. So this is B complement. Now, what is the question? A intersection B complement. Intersection means what is same in both of them? What is same? C and C. E and E. Next, J and J. CEJ. So remaining is not same. Only CEJ is belong to A intersection B complement. Let's cross check our answer. Yes, correct. That's it.